wins. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Yeah, she's got
Smash
some
them.
nice long hair, and we know that she's a
Ultimates
gadget.
deployed.
All the boys swear, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all
In this
alone
age of
on a
technology,
mattress. I
martial
just
arts
wanna
is
have
involved
it,
too.
I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation for her music till I see it. So I want a demonstration, and I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. Got a body like a cocaine. She like to keep the party going.
Didn't you learn kung fu from watching movies?
I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cocaine. She like to keep the party going. Body, baby, show me.
Hi, initiate retreat.
I want that body, baby, show me.
What I say goes around here. No talking back.
Yeah, I heard you look good in a sundress. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold.
Well, get in
Where she
line.
came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and no country like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a cocaine.
Master said every martial artist must live by a code of chivalry. An ally has slain the turtle.
Body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got
Time
me
to go
feeling
all
lonely.
out.
I want that body, baby, show me. I want that body, baby, show me.
They won't listen to reason. We can always talk with our fists. Let me show you my fan technique. To make things fair, initiate retreat.
I said you better watch what you're doing, 'cause I ain't gonna stop when I'm moving.
Hi,
I'm headed
step
to
up
the
my
top,
training.
I'ma do it. I'm headed to
An
the top,
enemy
I'ma
has been
prove
slain.
it. And baby girl, I like what you're doing. Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it. You know I'll treat you right, let me prove it.
I won't go easy on you.
I'm sick of being nothing.
Double kill.
Right, I'm gonna be something. All fight with every breath, trust me. I'ma be the
Try to
one
keep
with the
up.
top, you can't touch me. I need to find somebody
Didn't you learn
like
kung fu
me
from
who
watching
wants to be
movies?
something. I bleed with every word coming. I would rather die than be someone who's nothing. I'm the type of dude who will not remain
It is the
nameless.
veiled
I'm the
skies
type of
sworn
dude
oath
who is headed
to
for
uphold
greatness.
justice
I'm the type of dude who can really make changes, cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous, cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
Looking for a fight? Well, get him out!
I'ma take it now, no you're never gonna
Let
break
me
me.
show you
I'ma
my
stay
fan
loud in the
technique.
face of the haze. I'ma speak out, take the muzzle off my face. Out of my mouth, every word that will make me. Never had a doubt of the life that I'm making. Never had a doubt of the fight I'll be facing. Never had a doubt of the
It's no
nights I'll be
use.
aching.
You're
Life is
no
all
match
about
for
having
me.
judos that you're chasing me. Now I'll leave your ass in the street. Now I'll put your
Mega
ass
kill.
underneath ground. I'll bury you 6 feet deep now, and you better stay down. Get the hell out of my way now. It doesn't matter what you say now. I'm gonna take hold of fate now. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes, cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous, cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
Go all out!
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Master forbid me to leave the playground without permission. But
Maybe you
this
can fake
one...
it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Killing spree! master forbid me to leave the clan grounds without permission. But just this once.
Our turret is under attack.
The reason I practice martial arts is to protect those who can't protect themselves.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the swords, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in. Yeah.
You're no match for me.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Hi, step up my train.
Initiate retreat.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, got to flow. Come on, never let you go. Gotta uppercut the more best friend. I don't think I'll ever let you win. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold.
Let me show you my fan technique.
Gather up the Lord.
I'm alright.
Initiate retreat.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright.
Looking for a fight? Well, get in line.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fake now. I just wanna wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground. I'm awake even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and die. Will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never get up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside.
I've already seen through your moose riding.
It's so cold outside. I'm